Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Learn With Me. In this video, let us learn how we can use the print function in Python. Let us print a simple message. Let me first open PyCharm software. As we all know, the print function is used to print a specified message to the screen or to the output screen. Along with the print function, we can either use single quotes or we can use double quotes or we can also use triple quotes. Let's see example for each. Let's consider the single quotes. Let me print something. Say let me print hi with the help of single quotes. So I have typed the print function, and within the brackets I will use single quotes and I will just write hi. I will save my program with the help of by pressing Ctrl and S keys in my keyboard. And now to run the program, I'll just click on run and I will click on run here. I will select the name of my file, that is I have typed my message or I have typed the program in this particular file, that is printfunction.py. It is showing one more file name, that is first program, that is another program. But right now I have typed my program in print function and I want to execute my printfunction.py file. So I will select the print function. And here is my output at the bottom. So if you observe, I have got hi as my output. Whatever I have written within the single quotes, I have got it as an output. So let me try print with the double quotes. Let me get back to my file and I will just type print, open the brackets, use the double quotes, and I will write or type some other message, say hello. You can type anything that you want. Just save the program once again before you run. Now you can see print function here. So directly you can click on this one, or you can also click on this particular option to rerun your print function or rerun the file, and just select here. Now if you observe the first statement, print hi is printed. Second one, hello is within double quotes, so hello is also printed, so it is working perfect. So let's try print with triple quotes. Print, open the brackets, type 3 times single quotes. Now let me type something else. Let me type, say hey, write anything that you want. Save the program with the help of Ctrl and S keys. Rerun the program with the help of this particular option, or you can also run from here, or also you can run from here. So run. So if you observe, the single quotes has given me the output, double quotes has given me the output, as well as the triple quotes also has given me the output. So now which quotes can I use with print statement? Usually we make use of double quotes with the print statement. So now we know that we can make use of either single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. And all these three quotes we used and we got the output in the single line. Say now I want to get the output in 2 lines. Say hi in 1 line and hello in 2nd line. So can I use all of these quotes to type the message in this way? Let's try with all the 3 quotes. Let me delete this one. So let me use the print statement. Open the bracket. I will use a single quote and let me type hi, and then I will press enter, and let me try to print hello. Let me save the program and then rerun. So what happened here? It is actually giving me hi and hello both in the same line. Actually, I have typed it in two different lines, but in my output, I'm getting it in the same line. Let me try with double quotes. Print, double quotes, hi, press enter, hello, save the program, Control S, rerun the program. If you observe again, the hi, hello, which I have written within double quotes and in two different lines, is again displayed in the same line. Hi continued with hello. Let me try with the triple quotes. Triple quotes is nothing but 3 times single quotes. So I'll type hi, press enter. Now if you observe here, my cursor was here. I will type hello. I will save the program, Control S. I will rerun the program. Okay, so what did it do? The first print statement with the single quotes hi, hello is being displayed continuously, hi, hello. Second statement, that is print hi, hello within the double quotes. Again my output is in hi, hello in the same line, even though I have typed it in two different lines. Third time, when I used triple quotes, if you observe, hi, hello is typed in the different line, but in the output, if I observe the previous outputs as well as this output, we observe that when I used hi, hello to be typed in two different lines with the help of triple quotes, it has given me the output in multiple line as I wanted. So from this observation, we can say that triple quotes is used to print or to get output in multiple lines. We know that when we use a print statement with either double quotes, single quotes or triple quotes, the output will be displayed as this way. Now say I want my output, say hello, to be displayed within the double quotes. If you see the output here, I don't have the single quotes or double quotes or anything, but say I want my output to be displayed this way within double quotes. So how can I do it? Let me just change this particular statement. Say this is my opening and closing double quotes for the print statement. So as I told, I want hello within double quotes. So let me try giving double quotes here and closing double quotes. But if you see the red line, that indicates there is an error. So I cannot use double quotes within double quotes. So how can I do it? Let me just replace this. Even if before replacing, if I save this program and if I rerun the program, it will show me error saying that it is an invalid syntax, that is double quotes within double quotes. So what can I do? The double quotes, that is opening and closing double quotes of the print, I'll just replace it within single quotes. I'll remove the opening double quotes, replace with single quotes. I will remove the double quote of that is the closing double quotes of print statement and replace with the single quotes, and the inner part, that is hello within double quotes, remains as it is. I will save the program with the help of Control S and I will rerun the program. Now if you observe, I have got the output within double quotes. If I simply used print within double quotes or single quotes or triple quotes, the output would be something like this way, right? So you can see the difference. So even though I've used double quotes, it is just printing simply as hello. But if in case I want to print my output within a double quote, then I will make use of opening and closing brackets as the single quotes, and then I can write the message with the help of double quotes. Now say I want to display my output message within single quotes, right? Instead of double quotes, I want to replace it with single quotes. So what can I do? I can use the same statement as above. Only thing I have to change is I have to interchange the double quotes and the single quotes. That is print, open and close the brackets of the print statement. Now since I want the message to be displayed in single quotes, For the print statement, I will use the double quotes, and then I will use the single quote, opening single quote. I will type hello. I will close the single quote. I will save my program, Control S, and I will rerun my program. So if you observe, the first statement has given me the output in double quotes. Second statement, if you observe carefully, I don't have any quotes. And the third statement, if you observe carefully, I have got a single quote. So if you want to display a message within double quotes, single quotes, then you can make use of this particular technique. There is one more method using which I can get the output within double quotes or within single quotes. That is, let me type print, opening closing brackets. I will make use of the double quotes. I will type some message, say hi, and I will use the double quotes itself. But as you all know, if I use this way, it is saying it is a syntax error. So what I will do is, I will just use a backslash here. Again, I will use a backslash here. Now if you observe, my error is gone. So let me save the program and let me see if it will be able to run or whether it will give me an error. So run, and if you observe in the output, I have obtained my hi within double quotes. And if you see that even the opening and closing quotes of my print statement is also double quotes itself. Similarly, you can try with single quotes. Print, opening and closing single quotes of print statement. Write any message, say hey, and again I will use single quotes itself. Again it is showing me error, so I will use the backslash. Now if you observe, my error is gone. I will save the program and rerun the program, and if you observe in my output, I have got hey within single quotes. That is, I can use a single quote within the opening and closing single quotes of the print statement. All I need to do is, I just need to use a backslash. Now let's see how to print a value stored in a variable. Let me create a variable, say a. You can give any name. Let me assign some value to the variable. I have just given 10. You can give any value or assign any value. Then let me try to print the value that is present in a. I will make use of the print statement. Now I don't have to use double quotes, single quotes or triple quotes. I just have to write the name of the variable for which I have to display the value. Just save the program and run the program. Now if you observe the output, you can see 10 is being displayed. That is, 10 is the value that I had assigned to the variable a, and I used the print statement to print the value that was stored in the variable a. If you think I have simplified learning for you, do like my video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and always remember that practice makes things perfect.